A heating separator suitable for separating mobile phone screens. Connect the power cord from the rear of the machine. Turn on the power switch. The numbers displayed on the screen are in degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature setting button. When the numbers flash, you can adjust the temperature. Set the desired temperature and wait. Vacuum switch button. After the vacuum is turned on, the screen can be sucked by the vacuum. Temperature switch button. Place the separation pad in the middle of the heating platform during operation. Place the screen to be separated on top. Press the vacuum switch. Use diamond wire to separate the screen. Separation completed. If you encounter any problems, please contact our technicians.